Good afternoon, class.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
Alright, now class, I'd like to ask you how are you today?
Fine.
Very fine. Because outside it's very hot, the sun is very high up. Now, who among you here like to go shopping?
Ma'am,
Yes, proceed.
I want to go shopping but I don't have money.
Oh, you don't have money. How about who likes to go to McDonald's to get burgers, fries? Yes.
Tin. Nagkagoto pa tayo with money.
I like to go to McDonald's to have some refreshments because sometimes I have
Alright. Now, I'd like to ask you how you place your orders. How do you say, how do you order your things? Like, how do you place your order in McDonald's? What do you normally say? Christine?
I just say, can I have a burger, please?
Just like, okay, and then you don't pay first.
can I have it?
I'm just kidding. Can I have a burger, please?
Yeah.
How about you, Sarah? How would you say that?
I would just eat one chicken fillet with rice, please.
Okay. So you just say that. How about if the clerk there or the cashier is your friend? Do you think there will be a difference
Yes.
in the way you order? How would you order your
I will
food?
say, hey you, I want, hey, I want a pineapple juice.
Yeah, like that.
Sorry,
Yeah, how about you, Diane? If the cashier was your friend
Thank
or
you.
the sales lady was your friend, how would you order? What? Oh, you just say the endearment. Now, that's very good, class. What do you normally do when you don't know the person and you order things? What that is called a transaction. You have a transaction with someone or with another person. Okay? So that's called transactional language. Can somebody please read what transactional language means? Yes, please.
Transactional language is language which is used to make agreements and transactions which has a result. It is more specific for of a purpose.
Right, that's right. It has a purpose. That's why you say it or you write it down. Now, one example could be making a complaint, applying for a job, write a letter. Those are transactional letters. Alright? Now, another thing, we also have the interaction. And that is what we use when we talk to our friends. That's called the interactional language. Here you go. Can somebody please read? Me. Yes.
Interactional language is the language we use to build and maintain relationships. Normally, it carries a message and is used to get things done. Example, chatting before class begins.
Right, that's right. Now we have here chatting before the class begins. When you just talk to anyone at all, that's called interactional language. That's why whenever examples of this are like when you write your friendly letters and the like. So I have here examples of letters that are transactional and interactional in nature. Now I'd like you to pass them around. Pass them around and read the letters. Can somebody please read the first letter? Anyone from the class? Yes, Clara.
Transactional language. George B.C. XYZ Company, 87 Delaware Road, Hatfield, California, 08065. Dear Mr. Gil, I'm writing to apply for the programmer position advertised in the Times Union. As requested, I am enclosing a completed job application, my certification, my resume, and 3 references. The opportunity presented in this listing is very interesting, and I believe that my strong technical experience and education will make me a very competitive candidate for this position. The key strengths that I possess for success in this position include: I have successfully designed, developed, and supported live views application. I strive for continued excellence. I provide exceptional contributions to customer service for all customers. With a BS degree in computer programming, I have full understanding of the full life cycle of a software development project. I also have experience in learning and excelling at new technologies as needed. Please see my resume for additional information on my experience. I can be reached anytime via email at johndonaldson@emailexample.com or my cell phone 909-555-5555. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to speaking with you about this employment opportunity. Sincerely, John Donaldson.
Okay, thank you, Kazaya. Now, if you would notice, what is the tone of the letter in this, in the first example? Is it formal? Is it informal? Serious?
Formal.
It says it's formal. Alright. How about serious? Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Because this is a letter of application where he enumerated his strengths as a person. And then, how about the next letter? Yes, Christine. Susan.
IMOC, Country Lane, North Batesville, CA 532-86, July 16, 2007. Dear Susan, it feels like such a long time since the last time I saw you. I know it's only been several weeks since I saw you. So far, my summer has been great. I spent all my weekends on the beach. I am getting a nice tan and you can no longer say I am paler than you. I have been playing lots of volleyball, surfing, and building a nice collection of seashells. Just this past weekend, I took second place in sandcastle building contest. On the weekdays I work, I drive an ice cream truck around and sell ice cream to the kids. It's so cool. It is a combination of the two things I love most, ice cream and kids. The pay isn't too great, but I love the job so much. I hope the summer's been going well for you too. There's only a month and a half left in summer vacation, and after that, it's back to school. Would you like to meet up sometime before school starts? Your friends and your P.S. John Austin St.
Alright, thank you. Now, if you would compare, how would you compare the two letters? Yes,
The first letter is too serious or formal compared to the second.
that's right. How about the format of the letter? Mariel?
Ano din na? The transactional or the first letter is in the block side. The other one is
Okay, that's right. Now, for the rest of the period, I'd like you to write a I'd like you to find a pair. And the first, number 1 in the pair would write a transactional letter. And number 2 will have to write a response to the transactional letter. So, let's call it play class. Thank you.
Goodbye and thank